What up? Welcome back to another video, guys. Today we're gonna be doing a quick little video. We're gonna show you my 2020 lowrider rest with my Vance Hines slip-ons, and we're just gonna do a sound check. So we're gonna turn it on, get the sound check, how it sounds coming on, how it sounds with some revs, and then we're gonna be doing some run-bys as well. So we're gonna get some nice little cinematography views of me passing by on the bike as well. We're gonna roll the intro and get into it. Alright guys, that's gonna be it. If you're new to my channel, like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell button to notify you anytime I upload any type of new content. Like I said before, this is my 2020 lowrider rest. These are Vance Hines slip-ons. No, you do not need a tuner for them. Put them on yourself if you want to see the link. The video to me installing these is very easy. I'm gonna put it at the end of the video. You could go ahead and click that. And like always, let the force be with you. Ride safe and enjoy the ride. Peace.